Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about global variable and local variable in part 5 of the video, that is functions in Python. Global variable and a local variable. So what is a global variable? A variable that is used in a main program, that is out of all the blocks has a global scope. Global scope means it is accessible throughout the program in all the functions and within all the blocks. Second point, it will be accessible in all the blocks. That is very clear. And third point, if we want to assign any value to the global variable in local scope, that is inside any function or block, then we have to use the global keyword. We only need to use the global keyword in a function if we want to do assignment / change them. Global is not needed for printing and accessing. So if you don't want to change the value or assign any value, then global keyword is not required. Next point is, any variable which is changed or created inside a function is local. A variable which is changed or created inside a function is local if it has been declared as a global variable. If it hasn't been declared as a global variable, okay, to tell Python we want to use the global variable, we use the keyword global. Otherwise it will, if we use the same name of the variable in global scope and local scope, then in a function the local scope variable will persist over the global variable and the local variable will print inside the function. So if we have to access the global variable, we have to use the global keyword. Example of global variable, we have created a definition function local scope in which we are printing a value of a variable which is not declared inside the function, so it might be a local. Let's see, we have now a variable global underscore a whose value is 10. So what we do, we now call the function local scope. When we call the local scope function, what does it print? Global variable in local scope 10. So what we have done here, we have created a global variable global underscore a whose value is 10. Now we have created a function. In the function we are using the global variable global a. So you can see without using the global we can access it and print it. No need to require, it is not required to use the global keyword. Explanation is there. Here we have a global variable global a and its value is being printed in a function local scope. Initially global a is assigned a value 10. Oh, this is all right. Function local scope is called and it prints the value of global a in the function. Now assigning values to global variable inside a function. We have created a global a again here in the main program. This is the global a whose value is 10. Again we are creating a variable calling the function local scope. Now in the local scope we have used the keyword global and we have accessed the variable global a. Now we are changing the value 20. So when we print it, what we will get? Global variable in local scope, we have its value as 20, and also the value of when printed outside this function, its value is changed. We are getting the global variable is 20. what happened, we have accessed the global variable inside the function and change its value. Global, since it is a global variable, its value will change throughout the program. So when assigning 20, its value has changed and now it is printed 20. The 20 is written here also. So what is a local variable? A local variable declared inside a block or function is known as local variable. So what is a local variable? A local variable is a variable which is declared inside a block or function. What is its scope? Its scope is within the block in which it is created and the lifetime till the block or function runs. The scope is within the block or function in which it is created and the lifetime is the block or the function in which it runs. For global variable, the scope is throughout the program and its lifetime is till the program runs. Now see what we are doing. We are again using the same program, but now we have removed the line global underscore a. We have not used the global underscore a keyword, a global keyword. So what this does, in the local scope now we are creating a local variable named as global a, and as I have told previously, when there is a clash of names between both global variable and local variable inside a function, then the variable which is local to the block, means the variable which is local to the block will always print its value, or its value will be used. Now what will we get the output? We get the output variable in local scope as 20. Here it is printed 20, and after that when we came back in the program and printing variable in global scope, here comma and inverted comma is missing, then we are getting value as 10. Means we are not able to access the global variable here. We are creating a local variable named global a and its value is being assigned, and we are not able to change the value. Only a local variable is created and its lifetime is within the function. This function, when its function is over, then it goes off. So I think you have understood the topic. We'll continue in the next videos. Thanks.